The finished look of my blue eye. Very simple, very easy. I only used 2 eyeshadows from 2 palettes, and I'm gonna show you. I think in the picture I showed you, but one was a Kylie and the other was my drugstore palette. So this is a finished look. I hope you guys love it, because today is New Year's Eve and I felt like looking pretty. Guys, I've been struggling with lighting and finally I have the perfect lighting. I'm so happy right now because I get to give you quality videos and everything. It was a mess because I love perfection, and I don't know if it's me or my eyes, but right now I love what I'm seeing and I hope you guys love it too. So today I want to do something very different, something out of the box. I did this look. I did a bun thing. So if you guys want me to show you how I did this look, you can comment down below and I'm going to show you how I did it. So for today I want to do something different. I want to do a blue eye. I don't know if it's going to look good or bad, but this is my first time actually doing color. I'm not really a fan of color. So to prime my eyelid, I'm going to use this. I bought it from the mall. There's a shop there, and then I bought it. I don't remember how much I got it for, but this is what I'm going to be using, and I am going to get the white one here. This is the one I'm going to use to prime my eyelids, and then we are going to put on the eyeshadow. So here it goes. I'm feeling blue today, so I want this blue right here.
Going above the area so as to make the white concealer I had put blend in.
This is the foundation I use. I use the Super Stay, and I am in 355. This is like a shade darker than me, but who buys foundation lighter than them? So guys, I actually don't put any foundation on my forehead, but when I had measles and chickenpox, it left like a stain here and here and this one over here, but I love this one, so I never really actually do much to it. I just leave it just like that.
Contour.
These are my LA girls. This is cool. This is Kutan, and then this is fawn. So I'm gonna mix the two, and then I am going to highlight. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I never, like, look at this. The time I'm done, it will have some product like powder or something, but I never put foundation on my nose. So now we are going to go into my NYX palette to contour. So I'm going to get this shade over here, and then I'm going to use it to contour. just leave them natural, and then I pop in my clear lip gloss, and it smells really nice. So let me just clean my lips, and then I'm gonna add this to my lips. I had so much fun with it. It's everything I think I am gonna be doing color more often. This was so much fun for me to recreate, and it didn't even take me long. It took me like really like probably 30 minutes or so, but the end result is so nice.